Mr. Donnelly.
What is this, a pinch?
It ought to be.
All right, boys, the house is yours. But you'll pardon me, we're on the deadline.
Hello, composing room. Hold the phone, Simp. Did you send down that glove?
The glove? The murder glove? Something screwy. Shoot it up to the boss.
Okay.
What's that?
News.
Hop off the city editor's desk and bring that thing back.
The dope I sent the boss.
News, eh?
Why, yeah.